As a small YouTuber on YouTube, there are a lot of things that you should worry about. So, but I noticed that a lot of people on YouTube here are worrying about what it is not necessary on YouTube. Which, if you're worrying about what is not necessary on YouTube, at the end of the day, you are not going to pick out the most important one to worry about. So if you're a content creator or you just started your content creating journey on YouTube here and you're looking forward to join the YouTube partnership program, then this video is actually for you, because in this video I'm going to be telling you a lot of mistakes small YouTubers like me made, and I actually made the same mistake, but right now I'm trying to adjust myself. And if I knew all of this mistake from beginning, I wouldn't have done that. There are a lot of mistakes that we are making, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. Hi guys, I hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time seeing you, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And of which I will start with my mistake number one. The first mistake that we often make as small YouTubers is buying views, buying sub. Okay, so if you buy views or you buy sub, at the end of the day, this is what is actually going to happen to your channel. Those views that you're actually going to buy are just going to accumulate in that particular video. That is to say, if you're putting in another video, YouTube is actually not going to promote that video, because YouTube automatically expects you to buy views for that video. One thing you should know is that YouTube algorithm is very smart, and the earlier you realize that, the better for you. So instead of buying views and buying shorts on YouTube, why not start uploading consistently on YouTube so that your views can actually come out very well? That is why I ended up seeing some people with 100 and something K views on YouTube. They are not monetized. You end up seeing some people having a lot of views in one video, and in the other video there is no views at all in all of the remaining videos, because that particular views that you have is not going to shift from anywhere. It's just going to remain there. And trust me, that particular views is not just going to be organic. It's going to look fake, and the moment YouTube notices that this is what you're trying to do, they will just abandon your channel and pack it to one side. So if you're fond of buying views, buying subscribers, please stop it, because most of the subscribers they're actually going to give to you as well. There are subscribers that will never be active. Okay, so it is even better for you to come to the comment section and you're connecting with people in the comment section that are active, than you going all the way to buy subscribers to your channel. At the end of the day, you end up having 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 subscribers, and then you're monetized on YouTube, but you're not making even a dime out of YouTube. It's now take you a whole long period for you to even be able to make just $100 on YouTube. So that is the mistake number one that I never want any of you to make as a small YouTuber. Which brings me to mistake number two: worrying about buying gadgets that is not important, buying equipment that is not important. A lot of us started YouTube with this notion of, oh, I need a great gadget, I need to upgrade my videos, I need to do this, I need to do that. But you forgot that YouTube is one step at a time. Okay, you can see people having good gadgets, but their filming and their editing quality is very, very poor. And you can see a whole lot of people just having their smartphone, and then they are doing a whole lot here. I remember starting up a YouTube channel, I was just so worried about, oh, I want to get a very good gadget, I want to get a very good gadget, instead of just starting with what I needed to start with. And when I stumbled across a video that said start with anything that you have, you can start with your smartphone, and I started with my smartphone. Till date of me filming this video, I'm actually still doing well with my smartphone. So you don't need to worry about buying all of that. That is the mistake that we first have, that, oh, if I don't get all of this, I'm not going to start my YouTube channel. If I don't get all of this, I'm going to stop posting on YouTube. If I don't get all of this, I'm not going to be successful on YouTube. And of which that is actually going to delay your progress on YouTube here. It's also going to delay everything that you want to achieve on YouTube. The mistake we make as small YouTubers is lack of consistency. Why do people believe that if you're starting afresh, because you're not getting all of that view, all of that subscribers, all of that watch hour, you don't need to be uploading every day, or you don't need to be consistent in what you are doing? Don't forget that YouTube is a profitable business. This is your business, and the earlier you realize that, the better for you. The spirit of consistency is actually what will push you out to the next level. If as a small YouTuber we stop lack of consistency, and then we start focusing on what we need to do on YouTube, our daily uploads, shorts, posting on our community tabs and every other stuff, YouTube is actually going to be more profitable than when you are relaxed. Okay, if you want to be profitable on YouTube, if you want to be cashing out on YouTube, if you want to be getting all of those coins that other people are getting and then share testimony on YouTube, you need to invest your life in consistency. As a new creator, you even need to be more consistent than those ones that are old on YouTube, because those ones that are old on YouTube, they already have what they want. Their channel is already big, so no matter, they can put out one content on YouTube and that content can actually give them a whole lot to accumulate for the whole of the month. But you, as a new person, you know that you are supposed to meet up with your 1,000 subscribers, you know you're supposed to meet up with your 4,000 watch hour, and then you are relaxed. Because you are new doesn't mean that you should not be consistent on YouTube. If I am the one, if you're watching me like this, I will start uploading every day, because this mistake was exactly what I did. I remember when I started YouTube, I was uploading just once. Later, I started uploading twice. Later, I started uploading 3 times in a week. And some weeks, I don't even upload at all, because I feel like, okay, YouTube, I've not gotten to that monetization point, okay? But I remember that when I started doing my consistency on this channel, there was a whole lot of difference. You that is posting videos of 7 days and the person that is posting videos of 1 day, the both of you are not the same, except for those ones that I said they are already big and they've already built their community and they don't need all of this anytime they want to come here and pull blah, blah, stuff like that. I don't know if you guys get. If you even notice on my channel, for the period of me being consistent, uploading every day, you can see a whole lot of difference. And when I say consistency, I don't mean, yes, that you must be consistent in your upload back to back, everything you are doing this and that. No. Just know the right time that you're going to post, just know the right dates that you're posting, and different stuff, okay? Mistake number 4 that I'm going to be talking about that small YouTubers make is not looking at their analytics, not checking their YouTube studio to know what is actually happening, okay? I remember when I started YouTube channel, the only thing that will actually take me to my community is just for me to go and check my watch hour and then to go and check my subscribers. I didn't even put all of that in mind of my what's happening, how are my audience doing, what do my audience love, what are the comments that my audience will actually have for me. Sometimes I even feel reluctant replying to comments, because I feel like this is just barely 2, 3, 4 comments, so why do I need to reply them? And of which it is really, really bad. As a small channel, you need to focus more on your analytics, because your analytics are what is actually going to bring all of this good news that you want. Starting to focus on my analytics majorly now helps me to know the right time I can actually post. It now helps me to know the right audience that I am posting for, okay? But initially, I'll post 2 o'clock, I'll post 3 p.m., I'll post 4 p.m., just anytime I just wake up and I feel like I want to upload, I just go ahead and upload my video, and of which that was a very big mistake for me. If I would have known all of this starting from the journey of my YouTube, I think I would have done more better. And that is why I'm telling you that is actually watching me, that this same mistake, you don't need to make this same mistake. Checking your analytics is very, very important. Make sure you're checking your analytics. Make sure you're updating everything you need to update. Make sure you're seeing the messages that YouTube are sending you. In as much as you're checking them, also do well to check your mail, okay? Because if YouTube wants to run any promotion, for example, or they want to send you a mail for probably your channel has an issue, they will actually focus on your mail. So I remember that time I don't even bother about checking my mail at all, and of which that is a very big mistake coming from small content creators like us, okay? So check your analytics regularly, reply your comments regularly, and do to also check out your mails regularly as a small YouTuber. Which is bringing me to the 5th mistake that you are actually doing as a small YouTuber. The 5th mistake which small YouTubers do is not asking your audience to subscribe, not putting a subscribe button. Some person's video that you're actually going to watch, you're going to see that from the beginning to the end of that video, they are not even telling that, oh, subscribe to my channel. They're not even putting any subscribe button there that you can actually see and be like, okay, this person is actually telling me to subscribe to their channel. And let me tell you something about viewers. When a viewer is watching your channel and that viewer is able to watch your video even from beginning or to the middle or to the end, if there is nothing like subscribe or reminding that viewer to subscribe, that person is actually not going to subscribe, okay? And just know that at every point of your life on YouTube, in as much as you're being consistent on YouTube, there are going to be a lot of new people coming to your channel. So you need to constantly remind them to subscribe. That is why if you check most of my videos that I'm doing these days, I will always say, please subscribe. And even if I'm putting my logo, which is the Vibe with Sonia thing logo, I always put a subscribe button so that if you watch through that point at the beginning of the video, it will give you that mindset of, oh, I need to subscribe to Vibe with Sonia's channel. So these are the mistakes some of us are doing. We don't put those subscribe buttons. We don't tell people to go and subscribe to our channel. We just feel reluctant. Let YouTube just do their thing. After all, it is YouTube thing. And at the end of the day, you are making a whole lot of mistake. People that are coming that are supposed to subscribe, stay in your channel and help to the growth of your channel, we just pass, because maybe everybody will get them for mind and say, oh, I need to subscribe. And at some point of a video, if you're a new YouTuber, you're supposed to be telling your subscribers that, oh, subscription is free, so that they'll also know what they are subscribing for. So that is the mistake that we are also doing, and of which it is not good for our channel. 7. Posting your videos immediately after upload. Let me emphasize more on this one. When you upload a video, it is advisable for you to give YouTube at least 30 minutes of your time for YouTube to do what they know how to do best. But some persons will just upload videos and immediately they just click the video and then repost it to another social media, probably to their WhatsApp or to their Facebook or to there and the rest of that. It will not enable YouTube to be able to know the categories of audience they are going to push your videos to. Before you are going to share your videos to other important community, you need to hold on for like 30 minutes or 1 hour for YouTube to be able to do their job. Because if YouTube notices that at every point of your upload, you share it immediately to your WhatsApp, you share it immediately to your other social media platform, you share it immediately to your friends, your loved ones, automatically you're telling YouTube that you're very good with the job that you are doing. And once you upload next time, the YouTube algorithm will also be waiting for you to pick out your videos and share to the next community, and of which is actually not going to be good for your channel. So if you want to succeed here as a growing YouTuber or as a new YouTuber, you need to upload, hold on for like 1 hour before sharing it out to anybody you want to share it to. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you should not share to communities that are not important to you. Communities that you know that they can actually click on your videos and watch. Yes, it is good for you to share, but don't share it immediately after your upload. Give YouTube time to do their thing before you can also get other traffic, so that anytime you're uploading videos, it will be in their mindset, or it will be in the algorithm that the algorithm needs to actually share you out before you can share. If there is any need of sharing, the only place I advise you to share immediately you upload your videos is your community. That is, immediately I upload my videos, I just share directly to my community post, so that other people that are coming from my short videos, other people that are coming from my live stream, other people that are coming from my long videos, and also new content creators or old content creators can actually see it from the FYP. So that is the only place I advise you to share your content to it. But sharing your content immediately, no. It's a very big mistake, and I don't want us to actually do that mistake. And which is bringing me to my last mistake that small YouTubers do for today. And the last mistake is quitting YouTube. If you quit YouTube as a small YouTuber, automatically you've lost everything. You lost the coins that is going to be coming to you in the future. You've lost the subscribers that you've had. You've lost the watch hour that you've been able to gather, okay? If you've not watched the video I did on how YouTube do the calculation of watch hour, or when you get to 1 year on YouTube, this is what is going to happen to your channel, try and watch that video so that you can be able to see a whole lot that is going to happen in there. So the only mistake you're going to be doing as a YouTuber is for you to quit, because the moment you quit, you have lost everything. So all I advise you is, no matter the hustle, no matter how you're trying to strive, no matter how the subscribers are not coming, no matter how the watch hour is not coming, no matter how the desired views is not coming in, as much as you're trying to do your possible best, don't quit YouTube. Try to do what you know how to do best. Continue to do what you know how to do best. Try different things, explore different things to be able to know, yes, this is actually what is actually working for my channel, before you focus on a particular niche. And trust me, we all are going to get there. So quitting on YouTube is actually the biggest mistake that most YouTubers do make, because at the point when they quit, they leave YouTube, and when they come back again, it is just more like starting afresh. That is just the truth. If you quit YouTube, you're coming back again, it's more like you're starting again from scratch. So if you don't want to start from scratch, stick to your YouTube channel and let's keep the pushing coming. And at the end of the day, we all are going to attain a greater height. So thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. If this video is able to help anyone out there, let me know in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you have any video requests that you have for me that you want me to film for you, also let me know in the comment section, because my job here is to deliver. I help your YouTube journey to be successful, okay? Lastly, if you've not subscribed again, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. Are you not seeing the subscribe bell here? Please do what, subscribe. subscribe. And yes, with no further ado, I do like what listen in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.